This is Project Blackhawk, an E.C.D Custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Blackhawk is painted in full gloss Santorini black with black accents. This 110 sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. It also features a full external roll cage, classic front bumper with worn winch, black steering guard and 4 LED spotlights up front with 2 in the rear. Inside, Blackhawk features an E.C.D custom Momo Quark steering wheel with mole bomber gauges, 2 Corbeau Trailcat front seats, a 60/40 split mid-row and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the rear. Each seat is finished in a vertical diamond stitch Napa Porsche black leather stitched together in dark grey. This 110 is powered by our LT4 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. The performance is absolutely mind-blowing. Blackhawk also features an array of elements such as Infinity Kappa audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC and USB charging points throughout. Blackhawk is another stunning, more subtle E.C.D signature vehicle with a real stealth-like appearance.